how to adjust playback speed on YouTube. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials and watch and find our playlists. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started. So first of all, go to the app library in your phone. Here it's on the iOS. So we can open YouTube from here directly, or just search for it and type here YouTube and open it. Here is YouTube homepage. Now let's open any random video. Let's open this video. So let's open this video, for example. Now that we open the video, we can change the playback speed. You have many options when opening the video. You have here the screencast button, and here's the captions button. And on the right, which is what we want, the settings icon. Click on it, and then as you can see, there are also many options: quality, captions, low video, report, help and feedback. And here's the one that we want, which is second from the end of the screen, playback speed. Click on it, and let's choose the speed. Here are many speeds: 0.25, 0.5, 0.75x, normal, 1.25x, 1.5x, 1.75x, and 2x. You can choose the playback speed if you wanna. And here is the slowest speed that we can use, and here is the fastest speed that we can use. Let's play the video and see how it's gonna be looking. And that's it. That's how to change playback speed on your YouTube, in any YouTube video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.